Let's face it, the last couple of years were tough. We all had to let go of our plans and hopes. Now more than ever, we need to take time for self-care and building our inner peace. And I know a brilliant way to do that. This is by keeping your art journal, your visual diary through which you can express and learn. I am Kasia Avery and I will show you how to make your 2022 a year of positivity and creativity. I will help you discover your new passion and I will show you how you can find focus to keep your soul nurtured. Join me and my team of teachers as we help you discover your inner artist on our year-long online course called Wanderlust. You will learn about mixed media art journaling, the most forgiving, joyful, freedom-infused kind of art with endless opportunities. We will teach you all about supplies and we will take you through the process of creating one small artwork every week. And you know what? Following our weekly lessons, this can be your new favorite form of self-care. This is our 7th year of Wanderlust and every year we have inspired thousands of people on this very laid-back and forgiving journey of self-discovery through art. Don't believe me? Just check these Wanderlust stories to see how much our adventurers love this course. We don't know what next year is going to bring, that's true, but you can do this one step to ensure that you bring creativity to the table next year. How is it going to feel when you let art take over your life?